Kublai baro ki viewers khantame ya ki khun samla ki badang ab mi lenti kumno bapin yo ekam ki jam ti hagani ka video ni pe khnet hak bai dei bat ki khubor light kam sama nama kande kalat kabu namta jungi ki bompat don kam don jam kita ki unemployment youth te sngaba ba lada tidang thmai ha ka video ba channel ki jonga subhawanam glad ban yarap lang yanga da ka ba phi share like bat ban subscribe na ka benta pinyo eki updates ka be dei bat ki khubor lai kam kat barang mi kisngi te ka ne ga dei ka jingpan bana ka ba ton kam hadu kata kata namta paro ki khun samla lapi dei ki contation rang lapi en la trei hagano no ka kam yo se ka kam jung phi kam pat da sngew se kyon ne phimpat tikna te subha sam e ne Kamekhaya State Skill Development Society lane MSSDS in collaboration with Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training lane ka DECT kan khot nakbanta banwan sha ka statewide recruitment drive jongka East Jainte Hill District mo kani kan dei tang hapo East Jainte Hill District hakaba ki khot nakabanta paro ki khun samlai ki bomdon kam don jam ban wan chakate ka recruitment drive nakabanta ban jing ka nakabanta ban yathu lane ban pentip bat ban panbana yepi kum kinoi kita ki chat kam ki ba nagleng jong kane ka society kala ban offer sha phi paro ki job seekers lane kinong wat kam wat jam ban nagleng jungkiru kila penbena ba kidon hadu 10,000 plus ki kam ki balai hakleng jong kari India bat shabar jong kari ru lada pikwa ban le tremo di namar kata late namta kate ka recruitment drive kaban saplong hai kini ki chaka ki bangan sai pensngo shupi namar lengba kate ka recruitment drive pinyo shipun ki jingtip Shipun ki jingtip mat shipun ki kam ki ba phik e don kam ban tip kumno pitre katno ge jingsiu ha e ki bat kita paro kin sabatai phi ha kate ke sing mo Teki recruitment detail organization body ke de ka MSSSD harangkat ke jingitre lang bat ka DECT nangta issuing office ke de lengba ka district public relation officer DPRO East Jainte District Riyadh Nangta notification ke dikat witrik August total vacancies offer ke de 10,000 plus jobs domestic overseas placement mo pinyo directly pinyo be ban join ni ti kam lada village namta ka te ka recruitment drive pijit kano kin IBAP ya kata ka placement mo opportunity types regular employment apprenticeship or internship kita gide ki opportunity mo Pla bantre regular, pla bantre kumki apprenticeship, pla bantre kumki internship. Mo. Target audience eligible youth job seeker across all 3 blocks of East Jainte Hill. Te brok lai teli ki blocks pedon hapo East Jainte Hill kila ban wan syakani ka recruitment drive kata kaba insa pelong aga khatpra kat khandai ban arpoi tarik u August arajar apnriu. Sachusin yakani ka recruitment drive and penlong khatpra kat khandai bat arpoi tarik u August arajar arpnriu. Di nakmenta ka recruitment drive kaba insa pelong hakini kichaka all 3 CRD block kata po East Jainte Hill District khatpra tarik August Tuesday kande hapo ITI Riyadh campus khat khandai August ada penriu Wednesday kande Latarke Community Hall ban arpoi tarik August Friday kande Lumshinong Community Hall. Nangta highlight benefit of recruitment drive 10,000 plus job opening ngam tagi pila bantre ru hapo local lan hapo Meghalaya ru kidon nangta hapo national hapo kiwi ki state jongkari India lane international pila Dia kita baro en sabatai phi hadien bapila late nakbanta ka recruitment drive mo de directly thananga namar kata gede gi jingpun panana kleng gi jonga rei hadin ba phila le hakite gi lai singi phila tip ki ek jing batai nang te bat ka no ka jai kam ka pa phi kwa ban tre te phin sa jit hi Nangta eligibility candidates unemployment youth fresh graduates ITI pass out diploma holders and candidates seeking career entry or career advancement in Meghalaya or abroad ti ki youths ki khun samla baro ki bomdon kamdon jam ki bala pendep ya ka graduates lani ki bala pendep ya ka ITI course diploma lani kino ki khun samla sisin bapila dep ya jing pule lani phim pendep jing pule ru lada phikwa ban tre ki kam lebet nak banta banyo ya ketika recruitment drive ki jing penchai halor ki jing ai kam ai jam longba kini katanat jongka MSS DS Nangta screening process candidate are advised to visit their nearest drive venue with update resume pidiban ra alot ki certificate ki jongphi bat kumjuru ka Aadhaar lani voter ID bat kumjuru ka passport size nakabanta ban collect lani ban receive ya ka information ki jongphi lada phikwa ban litre shabar mo ti subha lada phikwa ban tip company aru click ya kani ka link download ya kani ka notification pule bani angto tin satip ya kani ka notification kapala pha longba ka office jong napo East Jainte Hill District